Hello, my darlings. Welcome to my channel. So, let's have a collective reading, and the topic would be whoever needs it. Okay, so whatever you guys could be experiencing, and you're trying to gain clarity about your situation or about a particular situation or a person whatsoever, let's try and find out. Sweetie Pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of We've Read to Live family. Apologies for outside noise interference or flash on the cards that could disturb your eyes. And because this will be a collective reading, for a few it may resonate, for a few it may not. If this reading resonates with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. So, without further ado, let's begin with your reading. All I would request is just be in a receptive mode and let's see what do the cards have to unveil you. Shall we begin? Angels and spirit guides, please help us in getting messages as to whoever needs this reading. Please guide us. Okay. You have some good news coming in, darlings. That's what the first card is saying so far. There seems to be travel. Okay. There seems to be a lot of connections building up. Okay. But let's see what are the other cards trying to guide you. If you think your finance has been stuck, then do not worry. Your finances will start flowing in. Regarding your love life, yes, you are confused. Okay, that's what it's trying to say. We will. Hang on, my darlings. Okay, so you have been manifesting, or you are thinking to manifest. Is it anything else? Angels and spirit guides? No. So I think we've got enough. Okay, and the bottom says Queen of Inspiration. You are someone who is a very hardworking soul. You think a lot. Okay, you're highly creative. You know what you want. You can achieve that. There are a lot many people who are looking up onto you as well. But there is a part of you that you are still not happy. You're still waiting for something. Okay, you could be feeling stuck. Okay, but we'll try and figure out what is it that is making you feel stuck. Okay, so let's go one by one and figure out. Okay, so we've got so many cards. Let's go one by one. Okay, so we begin with Knight of Inspiration. We have the Hierophant. We have Four of Emotions. See, I told you, you seem to be stuck somewhere. We have Nine of Voices. The Awakening. Okay, you're just waiting for that, I think. We have the Star. We have Four of Voices. Oh, beautiful. We have the Priestess. So the Hierophant and the Priestess go together. We have Death. We have the Emperor. We have Nine of Materials. And we have Eight of Inspiration. Okay, so what is it that you want to know? There is a huge transformation you guys are experiencing right now. Okay, so this could be because we have the death. Okay, and we also have the awakening. So there is a side of you that you have given up. Okay, and you have surrendered. There is a part of you that is kind of letting go, and there is a part of you where you have surrendered, asking the universe to give you the right path. Okay, you have a tendency to overthink, because that is what the Nine of Voices is trying to say. There could be some sleepless nights. Four of Emotions is trying to say you're crying over spilled milk. You do not know where to go because you feel everything is stuck. Okay, and you really want to find out. Four of Cups, again, it's like you do not know why things are happening as such. You're just trying to figure out, like, where did you go wrong? How did it go wrong? Was I that bad? Or, you know, what happened in that particular situation? Or it could be a particular person as well. Knight of Inspiration is trying to say you are blessed with creative sight, because that's what the Queen and the Knight both are trying to say. There is somebody who's coming towards you. If you are doubting yourself, but you are someone right now who's trying to be too focused on your career. It's like, your love life has taken a back seat. You're focusing on your career, money flow is coming in, whatever you manifest, your manifestations are turning into reality. Your money is flowing in, because yes, there is something good coming up. You are traveling, wherever you go, success is embracing, people are looking up to you, like, how the sun shines. It's that the priestess, you are a mystery to somebody. Okay, there is somebody who's trying to come towards you, who wants to offer you love. We will check with the love energies, but right now this is what is happening behind the scenes, but you cannot see. You have been longing to be with someone, hoping that things click, probably like a long term commitment, or you're hoping that something good comes up your way. Financially, you are extremely happy, even if you think you are craving for more. Yes, something more is coming towards you. Do not get stressed out, because something good is indeed coming towards you. Let things unfold. Probably it's your higher self that is trying to guide you. The Hierophant is also trying to say, right now, there is a part of you maybe has been disconnected on with the spirituality side. Okay, so I'm not saying you are someone who doesn't pray to the divine, but it is also trying to say, please try to focus on chanting mantras, deep breathing techniques, meditation, because that's where you will gain clarity. Whatever questions you have, you will find answers coming towards you in that peace of mind. Okay, there's a lot happening, but you are not trying to figure out, or you're not being happy. It's like, what I want is not I'm getting, which I I'm not, I mean, I am happy, but I'm not happy at the same time. Okay, that's how the energy hush hush is going. Okay, but remember to get back in power. Do not share your weaknesses. Your masculinity seems to be coming up, but you're like, who cares? Like, I don't have anybody, so I might well start being happy with myself. And that is where you're trying to get exhausted. You feel suppressed. You're diverting your attention on your career, but when it comes to your love life, you are like, where am I? Why is it happening? Okay, so now, because there is a lot hue and cry happening behind your love life, let's check with your love energies. What is it that's troubling you, or what is it that you can expect? Okay, angels and spirit guides, can I have some clarity for my sweetie pies who are watching this reading? What guidance can you tell them, like at the current situation, or what can you expect? Okay, so we have two pages coming up. Somebody who is younger to you seems to be showing affection, or you are with somebody, okay, who wants to offer you love but seems to be workaholic. Let me still pull some more cards for you so that we can gain more clarity as to where it is heading, what's coming up, what decision needs to be made, what's stopping you or them, what's the end result, can you expect anything? Okay, there we have. Okay, so the person seems to be highly charismatic, somebody who's a workaholic, extremely workaholic. Okay, but I think this person has their eyes on you. They do watch your social media, they are very much into you, and we have the Chariot, the bottom. So I think if you are with someone, then probably it's like, feel you are someone who wants to be, but still wants to enjoy your freedom. It's like, I am looking for a companion, I am looking for a committed relationship, I am looking to be with someone, but at the same time, I enjoy my, my space. And I think there is somebody who is around you. Okay, there could be two suitors, I would say. So we have the King of Wands, we have the King of Pentacles, We have the Page of Cups and the Page of Pentacles. Tellings, you have suitors. You have, I mean, you have options. You might wonder, oh, I can't see anybody. Okay. I mean, if you are reading it, it's like, wow, but I can't see anybody. Yes, but you have suitors. You have someone, it could be two, one who's extremely career focused, who doesn't have time, okay, because that is exactly what the King of Wands is trying to say, that very flirtatious energy, very happy-go-lucky kind of a person who seems to be around. Then we have the Page of Pentacles and the Page of Cups. They have immense love for you, but again, it's like, I won't say that they find you like a trophy, that you are around, but they're like, darling, do whatever you want, but I'm still with you. Okay, so they are giving you that space, and probably that's the kind of space you like as well. There is somebody like a King of Pentacles who is like a very slow moving someone. Either this person owns a car, or who loves to go for long drives, or loves to travel, okay, that kind of a person who wants to bring in stability. There could also be a possibility that the person also doesn't want to get married, but is looking for a companion, and probably they find that companionship with you as well. Now, are you going to get married to them? Do you really feel, do you really think marriage is on cards? Let's find out, okay? Because that's a question that just popped up, and I think a lot many of you could be wondering also. So, okay, let's take this. We have the Tower. No, the marriage doesn't seem to be happening because there is a past that either they have been through or they are experiencing. But we have the Lovers. So, yes, in spite of them being through that heartache, okay, they wouldn't mind. Okay, now look at this, look at the synchronicity, the Emperor and the Emperor. Hello, how beautiful it can be. So you all both have a magnetic connection towards each other, and you all really want to be with each other, but at the same time you all don't want to hurt each other. Okay, if there is someone, it's like, both of you have choices, like the way they have choices, even you have choices, but there is a strong magnetic pull. For a few, it could be a possibility that you are with someone, but or it could be the vice versa, they are with someone but they want to be with you because it's like, because you make them feel really, really in a happy space. Okay, but if you're married, darlings, avoid getting into a third party. It's just a pure attraction. Okay, because you are destroying your marriage and with the other. Probably your partner seems to be a workaholic. Maybe that's the reason you feel nothing is happening. But I think you should be having a conversation and trying to start diverting your attention. Okay, and if you're single, then yes, you have been through a heartache. Okay, and there has been a major shakeup, but you will find, okay, you will find there is someone who's truly coming towards you. You just need to hang on, just don't fall into the wrong traps, because you always have a choice. Okay, so follow your gut feeling right now, give yourself time, ask, talk it out, you will find the answers that you have been seeking for. Okay, now if you really want to know what it is or how do you go about, think of that burning question and let's ask your angels what answer do they have to give you. Okay, so whatever guidance is coming up, let's follow that guidance. Or if you have a question, just pause and just think of that question and let's ask, okay, whatever the angels have to answer you. Okay, so angels and spirit guides. Okay, angels and spirit guides, kindly help us with the answers. So there were two cards that flew out, okay, but since there wasn't a proper shuffling happening, I didn't choose those cards. I prefer to give it another shuffle and figure out what is it that it wants to say. Okay, so okay, we have within the next few weeks. So, whatever answer you have been seeking for, you will get the answer in the coming days. Probably it's just that you have to trust them. And again, we have ask your angels. So, your angels are guiding you. They will tell you what is best suited for you, whether you should go for them or you should avoid. Maybe right now, don't rush into decision making, is all I could suggest, because that's exactly what even your angels are saying. Take time, okay? Take time. And how will they? How will you understand whether they have answered you? Well, through songs, through synchronicities, some friend or colleague, a text message, or probably you might just overhear someone's conversation. So these are the ways where your angels will tell you, and within the next few weeks, you will get to know what the reality is. So hang on there, don't give up. So how do I sum up as to whatever the reading is trying to say? Well, finance is coming towards you. I think it's high time you rest up. You are overstressing. The best thing is when you surrender, universe has a better plan. They will give you whatever transformation is happening in your life. It is for your betterment. So allow, accept, and release. Stop overthinking. Stay connected with your higher self, or you have your friends, your gurus, mentors. Please seek to them. Let go of your past. Maybe that is what you're holding on to, and you'll be confused. So right now spirituality seems to be calling. Your psychic abilities are strengthening, so just follow your gut feeling. Creative ideas are soaring up. Success is embracing. You're traveling. Be in power. Avoid getting distracted, which I think a lot many of you could have been. At the matters of heart, you have a lot many suitors coming up. If you're into a third party, my love, please avoid getting into a third party, because that doesn't seem to be working, especially if you are with someone, okay, for a long term. And if you are single, then yes, there is someone who has been through a past but doesn't wish to go for a long term. Probably they just want to know. Whereas there are a few who want to go for a long term, but they want to know, how things are working up. They love to travel. Probably both of you are someone who enjoys each other's spaces, and you'll value that as well. Yes, there seems to be love coming in. The person seems to be having age difference, and yes, they are stalking on a good side. But I think there have been times where, if you've been married, you've been giving a lot of time to your work and not giving time towards each other. So please try doing that. Whatever question you had in your mind, your angels are gonna give you the answer respectively. And whatever you're expecting within the upcoming few weeks, you will find the results. Okay, so just don't give up on yourself. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead and a time ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.